Hello everyone. Our topic for today is sense organs. Now one by one we are going to study about these sense organs in detail. So our first sense organ are the eyes. Eyes are known as the organs of sight. We see the beautiful world around us with the help of our eyes. Eyes are very sensitive and they are protected by eyebrows and eyelashes. Now let us study about the structure of the human eye. Human eye consists of various parts. First part is cornea. Cornea is the transparent covering that protects the front part of the eye. Just like a plastic cover protects our book, similarly this cornea protects our eye. Second part is iris. Iris is that colored circle in the eye. It can be of different color: blue, black, brown, green, etc. Third part is pupil. Pupil is the black spot which is present in the center of the iris. Light enters the eye through the pupil. Iris controls the size of the pupil to regulate the amount of light. Next part is lens. Lens is present behind the pupil and it helps to form the image of any object. Now next part is retina. Retina is that screen on which the images are being formed. Last part is optic nerve. Optic nerve helps to carry messages from the eye to the brain. It is a kind of sensory nerve. Now, as eyes are very delicate part, there is high need to take care of them. So first point by which we can take care of our eyes is that we should never work in a dim or bright light, as it can affect our eyesight. We should wash and clean our eyes regularly with cold and clean water. We should not read in a moving vehicle or while lying down. We should sit at least 6 feet away from the television set. We can use eye drops to protect our eyes. We should never rub our eyes with dirty hands, as this can cause infection in our eyes. Now next sense organ are the ears. Ears are also known as the organs of hearing. They help us to maintain our balance. Ear is divided into 3 main parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Sound of any object enters the outer ear and then travels to the middle and inner ear. It is then sent to the brain by the nerves. Now next is how can we take care of our ears. We should not let water enter in the ears. We should use a clean towel to dry them. In case of any earache, we should immediately consult a doctor. We should not hear loud noises, as this can even damage our ears. We should never put any sharp or pointed object, as it may cause injury to the eardrums. Now next sense organs is the nose. Nose is the organ that helps us to smell. We breathe through our nose. In the upper part of our nose, there are nerve endings which are very sensitive to smell. They send message to the brain and the brain tell us which smell it is. The senses of smell and taste are interlinked. The food does not taste good if the nose is blocked. Now how can we take care of our nose? We should never clean our nose with a finger, as it may cause infection. We can use nasal drops or inhale steam to clean our blocked nose. We should clean our nose by blowing it gently. We should always breathe through the nose, as hair are present inside the nose that filters the air. Next organ is tongue. Tongue is the organ of taste. We can sense 4 types of taste, that is sweet, sour, salty and bitter. These are sensed by the 4 kinds of nerve endings in the tongue that are known as taste buds. Now there is a high need to take care of our tongue, and by following these steps we can do that. We should clean our tongue daily with the tongue cleaner and water. We should never eat too hot and spicy food. Last sense organ is the skin. Skin is the organ of touch. It is the outermost protective covering of our body. It contains nerve endings which detect the sensation of touch, pain, heat or cold. Now we can take care of our skin by following ways. We should clean our skin regularly with soap and water to avoid any infections. We should always wear clean and loose clothes. In case of any scratch or burn, we should immediately apply antiseptic cream.